In this video, we are going to see how we can message someone on TikTok. It's a pretty straightforward and simple process here, guys, provided they have allowed the option so that we can send them message. So if they have kept their account as private, you won't be able to send them message. But if not, you can just search for that person. Let's say I want to message this person. So as you can see, the option is enabled. We can send them a hi or a message. We can message him like this. And just remember that we can send 3 to 4 messages per day, depending on the preferences by that specific person. If this is a business, they might have allowed a lot more. But that is how we can message someone on TikTok. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.